For the pre-lift, grip about 1.5 times shoulder width. Position yourself such that when you lift the bar is directly above your head. Arc your back with your chest up. Same thing from the side view, grip about 1.5 times shoulder width. Position yourself above the bar, arc your back with your chest up. Dig your shoulders into the bench and your bar should be directly above your forearm. Feet planted and pulled back. Again, dig your shoulders into the bench, arc your back with chest up. There should be 4 points of contact. Bar directly above the chin. And your bar should also be directly above your forearm. For descent, deep breath while bending the bar. Lower slowly with control, bar to touch around nipple level, with optimal pause at the bottom. Again, lower slowly with control from the side view, bar touch around nipple level, with optional pause at the bottom. Side view, part of bar should descend slanted. The bar should touch around nipple level, forearm perpendicular to the bar. Ascending, explode up above the chin. From top view, same thing, explode up above the chin. From the side view, path of the bar should ascend slanted above the chin level. Full rep is not as hard as you think. From the front, top, as well as side view. Do it in 5 to 12 rep range for maximum gains. Have fun!